वेलकम टू इग्नाइट इंडिया एजुकेशन, इंडिया लार्जेस्ट ऑनलाइन डिजाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म। मैं हूं गोविंद कुमार सिंह और आप सीख रहे हैं मेरे साथ फैशन इलस्ट्रेशन।
Yes. Uh, we had been given to create six croquis based on any festive line. I chose means boycotting Chinese goods and promoting Indian goods. So here I have been inspired by Jharkhand's rich tribal culture, which has unique and vibrant expression of taste and style. Here I have made the costumes which are inspired by the patterns made on panchi sari, which are worn by mainly by the tribes of Santhal Paragan of Jharkhand. These are made of basic cotton fabric, and the print which are there on the dresses depict stories of various tribal culture and art depicting the tribal life of the Santhal people. Uh, I have given oxidized jewelry to give it a more vibrant look, and it is a means celebration of our Indian rich culture. Especially, I have focused on the rich cultural tribal culture of Jharkhand. So that's all. Thank you, sir.
So, who is your client for this market? How much will be price?
Okay.
Where you want to sell the?
Client would be the normal market or the city. I mean, the normal cities, not that metropolitan cities, but the local cities will be the market,
So,
means
seek.
which are viable to.
Yes, Kunal. Yes, you can complete. Then I will.
Okay, the clothes which are there are means they are affordable to the middle class people as well, and it is meant for the local market also.
All right, everyone. So, I think first I'll give you the feedback about your work. So, I can see you have. You are following the proportion and the croquis which was explained in the exercise 1 to 5. You're following it, and I can clearly see proportion are correct. Fabric rendering is also good, but yes, you need more improvement, but these are the I think we have started. I think so, considering that these are good. Now, where you have to improve on faces. When you have not taught for 3/4 or side view, don't try that. Or if you're trying, you should first try and get approval, then only you should use. Otherwise the problem is there. Okay, so faces, you are not able to draw the side, which is not taught. Yes, I know. And yeah, you can improve your face. And fabric also, body, the proportion. If you see the fabric scale, okay, and the actual body, that is also something which you should consider as a designer. You should see. So that somewhere I feel you need to improve, or you need to observe more. So these patterns are too big. I don't know what it you had in your mind, and what you thought, but yeah, at the same time these are looking different also. So maybe if you have if you would have actual fabric, then we can make garment and we can put it on real model and cancel. Now talking about inspiration, this is for everyone. So when your inspiration and client, so when you are making it your collection, you should think about market, you should think about price. So Just example, like this outfit, I can say, okay, I will sell in 8,000 bucks, and this is I have made for the Preth wear, Preth line. So Preth is something above than retail. All right. So retail is which you will see on the all e-commerce website and all retail brand. There are multiple retail brands, right? And and when as a designer you are designing it into your boutique or in the multi designer outlets, it's a Pret. So this is Pret line. I can see it's a fusion actually, Indo-Western, not exactly like Indian. Nice. So I can see very good design sensibility, and you have worked also, right? So yeah. So yeah. All right. Thank you, Kunal.
Resend it.
Is there on in chat box? I will resend before.
No, actually, I have joined now, so I am unable to see the link.
Yeah, I will share again. Let's finish this. These are so okay. Let me give maybe this session we will upload on YouTube also. So right, but there is a lot of scope, and you need improvement in terms of proportion, in terms of rendering, right? So, and this is for everyone, sir. Iska hai ye, you can start explaining. Again, she is not here, I think.
Good evening, sir. Devyani said this side.
Yeah, start explaining.
So I took the theme as Diwali, and it is a festival of light and happiness and joy. So I am inspired by the light, happiness and joy. I also took the colors as orange for happiness and joy. Then this dress I made it colorful also. And I've mostly used golden for the designs because it gives the essence of Diwali. Also, I have different dresses with different target customers with different age groups.
Okay, in one collection you have different age groups.
Yes, sir. So different dresses are of different age groups. Like.
So first, sorry to interrupt you, but this is for everyone again. This is for everyone again. When you are designing a collection, in one collection you should not target the different age group. So if you are designing something, it should be for same age group, maybe 20 to 25 year or 20 to 25 to 30 year age group. You cannot target 18 to 22 and again 30 to 35, and that you will call it's the same collection. Then you have to design two different collections, right? Okay. So college. So before joining, and this is just once in a week you're getting it classes and design. Now I just want you to explain the fabric. What fabric?
Yes, sir. So this, the overcoat I have made of blood red velvet cloth, and the inner, the plaza and the top is
again. See that everyone see this velvet. I can make out, and I think everyone can make out this is velvet. So this is fabric. Now you see, she's able to render the. Can you explain everyone?
So firstly, I did a coat of the color which I needed, the blood red color. First, I did a coat of that, and then using a dry paint, I did the highlights and swatches of black and white to give it the texture of velvet.
Good. This collar is what fabric?
So it is embroidery, golden embroidery.
Right. Yeah. So now. In the detail, okay, and
yes.
Back view, then you should start drawing, making back view also, and see good very good.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Bottom and cotton top, and the dupatta is straight.
Okay, and backside hair rendering is also nice. You can see everyone. side kind of hair rendering. View, front view, maybe you need improvement. So and the hand also you have to practice. But then almost you are almost there. These exercise help you a lot to understanding the proportion, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is your experience till now? What is your experience with this course?
So it is a great experience actually, because I started from a scratch. I did not know how to make illustrations with proper proportions, and then doing the exercises regularly, I learned it, and it is a really good experience. I learned a lot, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So let me thank you very much, Devyani, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so the link is there, WhatsApp link in the chat box. Everybody who has joined this is, and for the market, if you are making it your clothes for Hollywood, then it is fine. But if you are making it for Indian market, you should stick with measurements and all, and it should be practical. Don't make anything which is not practical. So be careful. That you will be evaluated based on that, because you know what all measurements are there, where shoulder lines should come, where waistline should come, where the knee, where is ankle, everything right? So yeah, so this is slightly shorter, this top is shorter. Either you should increase length little bit more, maybe 3-4 inch more, or maybe you can keep it slightly shorter. This is I don't know, the length is not correct, something wrong with length. Okay, you should be careful. And yeah, again these croquis, I think you are not following the measurements. You just see my croquis which I have explained. Just practice more. That is why, see, just practice, because you will not get again time to go back and practice your basics. So still you have time. Again and again I'm repeating, still you have time. You have time. You practice your basics. When you learn all the basics, if you have not learned your basics, then again after starting fabric rendering and all, you have to go back and check your basic proportion and all right. Okay, so yeah, but it's a good work. You have to work on faces, okay, and the proportion message.
So actually I have made, but I'm facing problem in showing plates, plates and all. That's why I did not send, because the work is completely flat and I'm unable to show the plates that normally dresses have. So I'm just confused at what should I do so that I can present those plates.
You can share here, that's okay. You are still a student, you're learning. Whatever you have done, that's just you post in the group. Nothing to worry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Wow.
I'll share from the next time.
Okay. This is very good fabric rendering. Oh my God, this face. You have to practice more on face. Why? Who has made this? This is this.
Sam Arya.
Yeah. Okay. Face. Faces. See, I think you are following it. The proportion I can make. Just take the croquis.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now you can start explaining. Yes.
So actually, I took the festival on now. So I've used the woven fabric, that's the kassav fabric that's traditionally used in Kerala for making these things.
Okay.
And the shrug is chiffon with the golden print over it.
I like.
And I have made.
Design is good,
Thank you, sir.
No, you can.
And
You can explain.
yes, sir.
Which market and how much price, all these things you have to explain.
So actually, I don't know about the pricing these dresses. For this,
Then
on a functional day, we can wear it.
yes, so how much should be priced? If you are not see, I already explained, right? So this is design one.
The green. Yeah, that this too the Onam one. This the traditional Kerala dress, which is the ancient one actually. Actually, that's a actually you might have seen Raja Ravivarma's pictures and all. And yeah, this it's a frock, offshore, no, offshore frock without sleeves. So it is inspired from that dress, and it's also the same cassava fabric. It's a wraparound one. It's not wraparound. It's a style of wraparound, but it's actually ready to wear one.
Good. Okay. This one.
And there's also cotton fabric, and the skirt is a box pleated one with asymmetric edging. So this is inspired from the flowers which is used in Onam, and I made the color green because it depicts nature. So yeah, that's it.
All right. Good. Very good. How's your
Yeah,
experience?
actually, it was tough to gather all the information and to make these things. And I could only make 3-1 because of the time and this counseling part is going on. So I could only make 3. I couldn't complete the assignment. So it was pretty good experience knowing about the fabric and
Okay. So you have to work on faces, okay? And the croquis also.
yes, sir. Being the faces, I can't give the detailing, but maybe because I don't have this small brush. I can't give the detailing good.
You just watch the video. It's already there, na? The faces video
Yeah.
serial. You in YouTube, very first video we have posted how to draw faces. Just watch that. When did you join?
Yeah, okay, sir. From the second class itself.
Then you should.
Yeah, I have practiced the faces a couple of times, but with the perfection, I can't make it because always my lips and nose are getting out, and eyes are becoming bigger.
Okay, just practice. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So can I ask you a doubt?
Yeah. Yes.
So when you says that we should take the half of the as neck, we should take half, right? 12 head croquis. So one head is one 1/4
inch, 1 1/4 inch, and
So taking the half means half of 1/4 inch or half of one.
taking the half means the whole 1 1/4 ka half, not half inch.
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Half 1 1/4 is 1 unit. So you have to take half of the unit means not half inch. It's a 1 1/4 ka half.
So when I'm taking the bus line and all, should I take it? If I'm taking, then it should be almost near to half.
You just watch everything is mentioned. I think you are not watching video. You watch one
Yes, I have.
1 to 5.
I have one, but the proportion I'm having some kind of confusion. But now it's okay. I actually took half instead of half of one instead of taking half.
1/4 inch is a 1 unit. All right.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
when I have mentioned it is 1 unit means one head. All right. So so
Yeah.
so your first unit is head, and 1 1/2 level, that is shoulder level. All right.
Yeah. Yes.
2 1/4 level is the, I think, bust line,
That's line. Yes.
right? And three
Yeah.
and half level is the waistline, right?
Uh,
Similar,
yes.
six, six, 6 1/2 knee level. You just check the
Yes.
video. And 9
Six and half.
6 1/2, right? 9 1/4
Yes.
ankle. So I think you
Yeah.
have confusion with inch and the unit. Unit 1 1/4, 1 1/4 inch is 1 unit. That means one head, right? I think
Okay.
so.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
कोर्स को पूरा करने पे आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, इसलिए आप इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पे जाके अपने आप को रजिस्टर कर लें इस कोर्स के लिए। तो आप इस तरह से कुछ देखिए, ड्रेपिंग जो है वो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। यू नीड टू ड्रेप योर garment on croquis, so this is very very important to learn this exercise. You should watch this video till the end so that you will learn how to drape. It's a technique, as I told you, it's a very much technical. Then it's fine, otherwise also you can learn. आप सीख सकते हैं इसको बहुत ही आसानी से। तो कुछ इस तरह से पहला एक्सरसाइज हमने किया था, एक हेड को 6 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है। यू कैन सी डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 आई इज 1 आई। Now you will see the demo which we have given in the exercise 1. The link of this video is already there in the video description. You can click on link and watch the video so that you will learn, and it's very much recommended that you should watch all videos so that you will know, you will understand how we are doing it. This was the second exercise which we did, and here we did here we learned croquis drafting. So, and this was the third exercise where we have learned ball joints and how to give movement in croquis, because when you will make croquis you need to give movement, then only it will look natural pose. So this was the third exercise which we did. All are there, and the fourth exercise which we did was figure analysis. A4 croquis we have converted into A3 size, where we have discussed that the both leg can't be in one side of the plumb line. So plumb line or balance line is very important. Here is the quick review. So now I'm adding it the details. This is very very important, and this program, if you want to join, you can join. Registration link is there in the video description. Also, if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever we will upload new video. You will get notification. You will not miss any exercise. You can recommend this course to your friends, those who are interested. There is no age limit, there is no education limit. Is open for everyone. You can watch, you can utilize your time, and you will get the certificate. It's Ignite India Education and Renus jointly this course we have launched. तो आप इस तरह से देख सकते हैं कि फेस बनाना जो हमने सीखा था उसको हम लोग यहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से मैंने उसको यूज किया है इस क्रोकी में। तो अभी आप देखिए, ये जो है डिज़ाइन एग्जैक्ट प्रोपोर्शन में मेरे पास जो है वो हो गया। अभी दूसरा एक और आउटफिट अगर ऐसे ही मुझे बनाना है तो ये देखिए, ये दूसरा सिलबट में वहाँ पे क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, और इस समय मैंने एक दूसरी क्रोकी यूज की है। आई एम यूजिंग दिस इज द डिफरेंट क्रोकी विच आई एम यूजिंग इट, एंड दिस see you in the next video.